What's good, my people? I'm back again with another video. As always, I need to request every single person watching to like, comment, share, subscribe. I hate to take up your precious seconds, but I keep on repeating it every time, but I just need the support, my people. So we got another pair of New Balances with that standard New Balance box, so I won't talk about it too much before people start commenting below, getting mad at me. So we've got a pair of 2002Rs or 2002s. The style code on this is M2002RRB. That's got something to do with colorway, etc. I don't know how to decode it, so don't ask me. UK 10.5, Europe 45, which is just my normal size in 2002Rs. So we're straight into it. Throw the tissue paper to the side. This pair is known as like a USA colorway. If I'm honest, I really do like the colorway. Just on foot they look so good. 10/10 with like a navy tracksuit. We'll just run through the colors. So on the bottom we've got all navy sole with bits of like, it's kind of like an off-white, not a bright white there. Then we've got like a gray, and then again that kind of off-white, not fully white, just a slightly off-white colorway. Then we've got the midsole, so it carries on. It's got the grey, then it's got the white / off-white. It's not a bright white. And then we've got the back, you know, these, I like to call them shocks. Obviously they're not shocks, but you know, the New Balance shocks, which go around to the back. On the inside, as you know, the insole, the sole is different from the other side, so it doesn't have the shock that wraps around. It's just got this little design on the insole, and then it's got this piece of plastic. But yeah, so going back to this side, as you can see, we've got this like material with the 2002R, which is obviously what the shoe is. On the back, all New Balance 2002R pairs have this like plasticky bit which says NB, so New Balance, and then on the top here it's got like a bit of red leather, and we've got that soft white, you know, sock liner, and then inside the tongue we've got a bit of mesh here. Then the rest is all blue suede, and then bits of nubuck just behind. The N logo, the Nike N logo with Nike N. I am going crazy. This is what happens when you record 10 different videos in one go. The Nike N, the New Balance N, which is in 3M, which is similar to Nike, is what I was supposed to say. So it's got like the 3M, I believe it's 3M, and then red leather behind it just to give it that kind of pop. Then we've got again white mesh, bits of leather and nubuck. So lots of different materials on this pair. Again, toe box, nubuck, mesh. I'm really thrown off since I said the Nike N, man. How could I do that? Do I even review sneakers? The New Balance N, again, normal laces that come on all 2002Rs, and then the little New Balance running logo, which again comes on all the 2002Rs. On the inside it says New Balance running again on the insole, and we've got that soft insole. I really love this pair. Colorway is really nice, just the subtle hints of red, not too much, literally just on the logo, and on the back, and then the rest navy blue. Even if it didn't have the red, I think it would look quite nice, but obviously the USA theme, so they had to certainly put that in there. Really good design shoe, really comfortable on foot. I got a lot of pairs of this trainer just because the comfort levels are so good, plus you know they look quite good on foot. And yeah, one of my favorite runners or runner style sneakers alongside 2002Rs and Vomero 5s and stuff like that. But yeah, I really do like this shoe. I did post up a picture on Instagram just showing it on foot, and I had a lot of replies of people saying, oh my god, I really like those, I really like those. Some people even said that it's the first New Balance pair they like, so you know, that's a big thing. But yeah, really good shoe, top quality as always. Let me know what you think of this pair. Check out all the other New Balance videos, Nike, etc., everything. And yeah, let me know what you think, people. I'll post an on foot video which will go back to back with this, and also I'll post it separately, so just wait a few moments and you'll see it. Let me know what you think. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Take care, my people.
Bye.